In addition to creating a workbook from scratch, you can also create a workbook using templates. Now, not only do you need to know how to do this for the test, I would suggest you take some time working with these templates because you can save yourselves a lot of work here if you happen to find a template that suits what you need to get your jobs done in Excel. To start building a workbook based off of a template, I'm going to go ahead and click the File tab. And then I'll click New. And here we do see some templates, not too many here, but we do have a lot of different categories here. So, for example, I'll click Business. Now you'll notice this actually goes online and searches for online templates. Now, something that's really important here. You have to have a registered copy of Excel in order to be able to get all of these online templates. So you either need to have Excel properly activated or you need to have signed in through a Microsoft account and downloaded Office 365, or I should say download Office from Office 365, and then you'll have a legitimate license and then you can use these templates. You'll notice there's a lot of different categories here. I'm just going to click the business one and it'll run a search again. And so we see a lot of different templates here, and I'll just look for, here's an expense report, so I'll just click on it and I'll click Create. So here we have an expense report. It's just based off of a template. So we can fill this out if we want to. We can put a purpose here for expenses. We can put our name in here, what department we're in, all that good stuff. And then down here, of course, we can fill in a date. Don't worry, I'm not going to fill out all of this right now. We can put a description in, a little hotel bill, some transportation. Now, what I want you to notice is this. Because it's a template, whoever built this already put some formulas in here. So as we build these lines up, it's already doing the calculations for us. Again, templates are meant to be time savers. Now, let's say you don't see the template you want right away. There's a way you can search online for more templates. So we'll click on the File tab once again, and we'll click New. Now here we've got a box that allows us to search for online templates. So I'm going to click in here. I'm going to look for vehicles because after all, we are managing food trucks in this company here. So I'll go look for vehicles. I'll click Search. And we see a vehicle loan payment calculator, a logbook. I'm looking for a service record. There it is. So I'll click on it. And here we see the vehicle service record. Now you notice it already has some sample data in here, and some of these templates will. So it's just up to us to change the information as needed if we want to make this template our own. So 3 ways to create files in Excel: blank workbooks, templates, or search online for templates.